அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். எக்ஸாம்பிள் 6.6 பார்க்கிறோம். Apollonius theorem. If D is the midpoint of the side BC of a triangle ABC. Triangle ABC ல D is the midpoint of the side BC ன்னு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Show by vector method that modulus of AB vector square plus modulus of AC vector square is equal to twice of modulus of AD vector square plus modulus of BD vector square. இதை prove பண்ணணும் உங்களுக்கு. They are given triangle ABC and D is the midpoint of BC. Let A as the origin. So generally நம்ம O as the origin அப்படின்னு தான் சொல்லுவோம். ஒரு சில क्वेश्चंसக்கு மட்டும் A as the origin அப்படின்னு சூஸ் பண்ணிக்குவோம். பர்టిక్యులரா இந்த क्वेश्चनக்கு A as the origin. So position vector of B vector அப்படின்றத ஜெனரலா OB வெக்டர் அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாம். பட் இங்க ஆரிஜின் A ன்னு சூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கிறதுனால that is AB vector. Position vector of B is AB vector. Similarly, position vector of C is AC vector, which is taken as AB vector is B vector and AC vector is C vector, which means position vector of B vector is B vector and position vector of point C is C vector. Position vector of point B is B vector and position vector of point C is C vector அப்படின்னு choose பண்ணியிருக்கிறோம். Now D is the midpoint of B and C. That's why position vector of D, which means AD vector, is B vector plus C vector divided by 2 because of midpoint formula. Now we get AB vector, AD vector. So we have to find AD and BD. So AD vector is equal to already in the this is AD vector, which is B vector plus C vector divided by 2. But they are given modulus of AD vector square. Taking modulus and squaring on both sides, we get modulus of AD vector square modulus of B plus C divided by 2 whole square, which is equal to modulus of B vector plus C vector whole square divided by 2 square. 2 square is 4. Modulus எடுத்துட்டா உங்களுக்கு positive value தான், which is equal to, this is of the form A plus B whole square. Using that formula, modulus of B vector square plus modulus of C vector square plus 2 into B vector dot C vector divided by 4. And next one, to find modulus of BD vector square. So BD vector is equal to, using vector triangular addition law, this is BD vector. So BD vector can be written as BA vector plus AD vector. BA vector plus AD vector. But நமக்கு AB vector ஓட vector value தெரியும், that is B vector. So BA vector அப்படின்னு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So AB vector க்கும் BA vector both are magnitude wise equal but direction is opposite. That's why we have to write AB vector as BA vector as minus AB vector plus AD vector. So which is equal to minus AB vector. Minus AB vector is B vector. So minus B vector plus AD vector is B vector plus C vector divided by 2. So B vector plus C vector divided by 2. Taking LCM for that one, we get minus 2B vector plus B vector plus C vector divided by 2, which is equal to C vector minus 2B plus B is minus B. So minus B vector divided by 2. So this is BD vector. But we need a modulus of BD vector square. So taking modulus for that one and squaring that one is modulus of BD squared is equal to modulus of C vector minus B vector divided by 2 whole square, which is equal to numerator modulus of C vector minus B vector whole square divided by 2 square is 4. Expanding through A minus B whole square formula, we can write modulus of C square plus modulus of B vector square minus 2 into C dot B or B dot C. Because dot product is commutative, so B dot C divided by 4. So this one is modulus of AD vector square. This one is equation 1. We have to take equation 1. And this one is equation 2. ஏன்னா உங்களுக்கு ரிசல்ட்ல modulus of AD vector square plus modulus of BD vector square அப்படின்னு தான் இருக்கு. ஸோ இது ரெண்டுமே நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோம். ஸோ அதை சம் பண்ணி பார்ப்போம், இந்த ஆன்சர் வருதான்னு செக் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஸோ we can write equation 1 and 2. 1 and 2 implies modulus of AD vector square plus modulus of BD vector square is equal to denominator 4, here also denominator 4, both are same. So B square, modulus of B square, modulus of B square. So we can write, first of all we can write 1 by 4 denominator, remaining modulus of B square plus modulus of B square is 2 into modulus of B vector square. Modulus of C vector square plus modulus of C vector square is 2 into modulus of C vector square. And here 2 into B dot C and minus 2 into B dot C. So these two are getting cancelled. So which is equal to 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. And here 2 is common, so take outside 2, and remaining modulus of B vector squared is written as AB vector. So modulus of AB vector square plus modulus of C vector square, that is AC. So modulus of AC vector square. 2 and 4 க்கு cancel பண்ணீங்கன்னா we get denominatorல 2, and இதை லெஃப்ட்ல கொண்டு வந்துருங்க. லெஃப்ட்ல மாடுலஸ் ஆஃப் AD ஸ்கொயர்டு பிளஸ் மாடுலஸ் ஆஃப் BD ஸ்கொயர்டு இருக்கு. ஸோ 2 லெஃப்ட்ல வந்து இன்டூ 2 மாடுலஸ் ஆஃப் AD வெக்டர் ஸ்கொயர் பிளஸ் மாடுலஸ் ஆஃப் BD வெக்டர் ஸ்கொயர் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு மாடுலஸ் ஆஃப் AB வெக்டர் ஸ்கொயர் பிளஸ் மாடுலஸ் ஆஃப் AC வெக்டர் ஸ்கொயர். ஹென்ஸ் த ப்ரூஃப். திஸ் இஸ் த ரிசல்ட். பாருங்க, modulus of AB vector square plus modulus of AC vector square is equal to 2 into modulus of AD vector square plus modulus of BD vector square. So இதுதான் நம்ம ரிவர்ஸ்ல ப்ரூவ் பண்ணிருக்கோம். Thank you.